Hello mga loves! For today's video ay all about restaurants inside Shangri-La Mactan, Cebu. Kain din tayo sa kanilang breakfast buffet at may kakainan tayong dinner buffet as celebration ng aking panganay na anak.
This one, yes, which the Chinese restaurant. We also have the tides, the international buffet, and then I think also have the buko bar.
Okay.
Mostly Filipino food. We also have the curry-go. It's by the beach. The seafood grill.
Okay, at open din ng dinner yan?
Yes po. And then also have the Italian restaurant, which is the Aqua. And then the lobby lounge.
Alright.
Then around light snacks.
Thank you. Let's check first the menu of Tea of Spring, the Chinese restaurant kung saan nag-work yung napakabait na si ate na nag-discuss ng mga restaurants inside Shangri-La Mactan. Mga loves, you can pause this video to check out their menu dahil hindi na po kami dito kumain at may kakainan kasi tayo mamaya. Let's go to Carico, another restaurant here in Shangri-La Mactan. Yan ang asawa ko. Yan ang aking human drone. Wow! Oh, diba? Very supportive.
Amazing!
Isa ito sa video ng aking asawa. Tignan nyo naman gaano kagaling ang aking napaka-supportive na asawa tuwing kukuhanan niya ng video yung mga kailangan kong i-feature.
밤이 오면 항상 turn the lights out. Tell me where you want it. Baby, you're the one I wanna know about. We can fall in slowly, yeah. We don't need to do the talking. Get into it, baby, softly.
Again, mga loves, hindi kami kumain dito but feel free to pause the video dahil kinuhanan ko na lahat ng kanilang menu at also makita natin gaano ka-relaxing kumain sa loob ng Cowrie Cove. Here it is.
You got me singing like I love it when you do it like that. When you walk out wearing nothing but I love it when we
Oh mga loves, may drama din siya. Mamaya makikita niyo rin yung pagganyan ko na palakad-lakad. Tapos may konting palingon yan. Ay, wala siyang lingon.
we go on and on and on and on, yeah, yeah. 낮이 되면 잠깐 come on outside. Tell me where you want.
Let's check the buko bar. Ito ay malapit lamang sa pool mga loves. At also, dahil bar siya, nag-offer siya ng alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks. This is their menu mga loves. For me, it's a mix of Filipino and American cuisine. Dito tayo sa Aqua. Dito tayo mag-dinner. Dahil maka-Italian cuisine ako, dito tayo sa Aqua magdi-dinner tonight.
Mangihaat sinabahan mo.
Saan yung oven? This is their brick oven. At ewan ko ba, mas masarap talaga lasa ng pizza pag bake sa brick oven rather than the conventional ones.
Do you agree?
8103. 8103. Of all the menu, ito talaga yung pinakamaganda mga loves. Check natin and feel free to pause again para makita niyo ang kanilang menu. Like other Italian restaurants, they offer complimentary appetizer of ciabatta bread with dip, but I personally requested olive oil with balsamic vinegar because I like their combination better than the tomato-based dip. The chicken? Okay. Dahil halos puro carbs, hindi namin naubos yan mga loves. Pero ang sasarap ng food nila, promise.
Pumunta kami doon eh. Kinausap namin yung lunch pass. Sabi niya, tara na nila anong oras daw.
Siyempre, mas masarap pag may brewed coffee. Good morning mga loves! Ngayon ay simulan natin sa isang buffet breakfast. Dito yan sa Tides.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that.
Samahin niyo ako mga loves, tingnan ang selection ng kanilang breakfast buffet.
Fell asleep, there's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know, yeah. Now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know, yeah. Now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know, yeah. Now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I...
Good morning.
We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more.
Sama-sama na tayo dito sa
We're done now, no words no more, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down.
lagay ito sa harap. Akala ko pwede ka lang kumuha ng mga ganun. Tinignan ko. Sabi, yes, sir. Meron to eh. Yung tanong mo lang sabi ko. Ah, sige po. Eh, ayaw ko.
Si Papa kayo yan. Ganun yun, pag yung station ng egg, yung may mga bell pepper, may onion, may ham, ganyan. So dito kumuha si Raha ng mga siguro pang side dish niya, kaya lang nabigla siya sa tanong yata at napa-oo. Pero okay naman mga loves, kahit kumuha ka dun sa mga ingredients ng omelette at gamitin mo lang pang side dish ng food mo. They offer ice cream kahit breakfast buffet mga loves. Sa ibang hotel kasi na na-experience ko, lunch and dinner lang siya ina-offer.
Sort out all the fights, sort out all the lies. Oh baby.
For the breakfast buffet mga loves ay 1,400 per pax. For children 12 years old below will get 50% discount like our kids. But for the room that we book ay may 2 complimentary breakfasts na. Sakto ang pamaskot nila sa birthday ni Raha.
Down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought it's
This is our second breakfast buffet.
time I know it for sure. Just thought
maraming option. Dalawang nag-o-offer ng breakfast buffet mga loves, ang Tides kung saan tayo galing kanina at itong Aqua kung saan tayo nag-dinner din ng Italian cuisine. Halos the same lang mga loves pero mas maraming options sa Tides. However, if ayaw mo ng matao at gusto mo yung parang solo mo lang habang nagbe-breakfast ka or kayo lang ng family mo, dito sa Aqua ang perfect para sa'yo.
There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go.
Smaller space si Aqua compared sa Tides pero mas solemn at mas peaceful dito dahil mas konti lang ang taong kumakain dito ng breakfast. Ito naman ang dinner buffet dito pa rin sa Tides mga loves at talaga naman pinaparada nila ang lechon. Ngayon ay kakain tayo to celebrate Raha's birthday. Nakailang ulit ako sa cake na yan. Kung winner ang breakfast buffet mga loves, nako, winner din ang kanilang dinner. $2,500 per packs ang dinner buffet and 50% discount for 12 years old and below. And mga loves, just register sa Shangri-La Circle for free and you will receive 25% discount voucher para sa mga buffet. Kaya kami may 25% discount pa from the total price.
And I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. And now no it's no more. No. I got so high on a hill. That's when I love you the most.
Si birthday boy, puro tahong ang kinain.
Asan ka nakakuha chopstick? Good, sa ano? Sa may layo pa. Baka juice.
Mana sa akin si Dato, di marunong mag-chopstick.
Hindi ka nag-drive? Dapat nag-drive ka.
Na ate, pinilit ko lang nga sumakay.
Yung nag-U-turn ka pa pa ng sobrang bilis. Gumento na yung jet ski.
Maganda yung ikot ng jet ski sa ilalim.
Ano yun?
5, 6, 7, 8, it's your day.
Make a wish and blow your candle.
Okay, wish. Yay! Ano, ilakas mo? Ano yung wish mo? Para magkatotoo. Ano? Sige, baka
bigyan na lang sa'yo.
Ano?
Maging maganda buhay ko.
Hindi ba?
Happy birthday to
Sige, dahil birthday mo,
Maganda pagpapalaki sa'yo.
Pagpapalaki sa'yo, eto na ang regalo sa'yo. Tanan, tanan.
Dato. Hindi nga yan. Saan galing yan?
Hindi sa'yo yan. Ipapahiram ko sa'yo.
Ay.
Dahil hardworking kayo sa training.
Ano mo muna? Anong laman? Baka mamaya.
Ang laman nito, adobo.
Ano, Dato?
Dato.
Parang si Dato yung mga...
Dato ano nangyari sa'yo, Dato?
Hindi na magbabayad ng 500.
Oo nga eh.
Meron siyang, meron.
What will you say?
Thank you. Di ko na-earn to ah.
Hindi. Usapan kasi noon basta makapagpalaro ka talaga.
Because of God's favor and hard training, God truly answered Raha's ultimate request to be part of Palarong Pambansa before he graduated his elementary years.
Okay, congrats.
Kasi isa lang controller eh.
Isa lang ba?
Dalawa.
Pati ako napaisip na.
Asa yung games andyan?
Diyan sa loob.
Happy ka na? Ikaw ang
Happy na? Happy?
We don't know, no us no more, no, no. We don't know.
Hello, sir.
Thank you for,
Sir, pa-dish out. Buti pwede nakatattoo dito, no? Marami pa.
Happy birthday, Raha! We love you so much, anak. At thanks for watching, mga loves. I hope kung gaano kakulay ang aking damit, ay ganun din kakulay ang impormasyon na nabigay ko sa inyo para sa mga nagbabalak magbakasyon dito sa Shangri-La, Mactan, Cebu. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And watch this other video of mine sa mga activities naman dyan sa Shangri-La, Mactan. See you!